Hi all, Debbie of D.E.B Health Coaching here. My 3 pillars to success: diet, exercise, and belief in yourself. So spring is coming and it's time to do a little spring cleaning, but don't worry, I'm here to help. So I want to tell you about my one-on-one virtual pantry overhaul. Not only may it just be time to clean out your pantry, but this is a really good opportunity to clean all of the junk foods that you may know are bad for you. Those things that you leave hanging around that you end up binging on late night. Or maybe you keep around a lot of foods that you bought thinking were healthy. You picked up the box and went, oh, no artificial flavors, no synthetic colors or preservatives, 10 grams of protein, it's got to be good for me. Maybe it said low sodium, good source of iron, high fiber, and you're just trying to do your best to eat healthy, and you're grazing on these foods, and you just don't understand why you're continuing to put on weight or not lose weight. Well, the truth is you can't have all the experience of a health coach, and I have lots of experience along with my education in biological sciences and really knowing what's macro-balanced. And I'm really good at reading food labels because of my education and my background in biology and chemistry. So when I read all those funny long words on the box, I know you might not know what they are, but I do. So one-on-one virtual pantry overhaul, you can find it under bookings at debhealthcoaching.com. We're going to take it up to an hour and a half. And we're going to go through your pantry in your fridge, and we're going to take out those secret health foods that are not so healthy. And I'm going to educate you on how to read these food labels, what to look for when you're shopping so you're not wasting your money, and what products you can replace them by that are healthy and delicious. So I'll meet you where you are. Start the journey. Blessings. See you at debhealthcoaching.com. Have a great day and a beautiful spring.